tornado emergency for Montgomery County. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Greene County, northeastern Montgomery County, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:59 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Trotwood, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Tornado emergency for Montgomery County. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. Amateur radio operators have reported a tornado in Montgomery County. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Xenia, Trotwood, Vandalia, Bellbrook, Moraine, Oakwood, Yellow Springs, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, West Carrollton, Cedarville, Wilberforce, Riverside, Clayton, Union, and Shiloh. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 31 and 41. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 48 and 64. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Is flowing quickly, and water